how we live it. Don't be mad at the system, it's simply how we've existed. I hear a lot of people talking like they politicians and choose to be an accountant because it's safe in a business, not because they want to do it, just because they heard.
What's up, everybody? You new down there channel. Make sure you hit the subscribe button. Thank you for supporting us. One video therapy. Today we'll be unboxing the Impact Driver Kit drill. So we went out and got one. So let's get into the video. So the first thing, well, it's the bag. So a nice black and yellow and black bag. Say Dewalt. Got the drill and everything. Okay. Come with 2 batteries. One spare. Open that. And you got your charging port. Okay. Let's do it. Insert the battery right there. Okay, it got 3 settings: high, low. You got plus, low, and high right there. It got 3 LSD lights. You can see it's very bright. That's plus. You just want to screw small stuff, medium stuff, and high stuff. You see it get more powerful as you, it got tightening or loosening. You loosen it, you tighten it, and so that's the drill. So if you like this drill, make sure y'all like it, like the video. Make sure we're gonna end this video right here. Make sure y'all like, share, subscribe, and comment. Until next time. See y'all later.
That's how we live it. Don't be mad at the system, it's simply how we've existed. I hear a lot of people talking like they politicians and choose to be